Hi Scorpions, welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me Pooja Likha. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it. For personal reading, you can message me, you can mail me, or you can follow me on Insta. So let's start with your read. Scorpio, I will draw 4 cards for you. First card is for your relationship guidance. Second is for your career guidance. Third, spirituality, and the fourth one is the overall energies for the month of June 2020. Okay. In relationship, you feel what you have decided, what the decision you have all taken is make you feel like you are taking the hold over your decision. Being you are an independent person, you manage your finances very well, you are financially you are very stable, very independent, you can take your own decision, and this time you have decided something for yourself in terms of your relationship. Maybe you have just come out of some relationship, and now you are trying to spend some time with yourself, and then maybe you will decide. Or maybe you are feeling very accomplished with your relationship. For career, I am not feeling good vibes with your, maybe you are facing some heated arguments, or maybe you get disappointed with some news at your work. Maybe you faced some losses in your business, or some disagreements with your bosses. So this is the time where you feel a little imbalanced, right? Take your time. This time will heal soon, and you will get out of this tough period of your life which you are facing at work front. For at a spiritual level, your things are turning towards the positive side. Maybe you are now started inclined towards, maybe you started hearing some spiritual things, maybe you are started reading some, and you started something new with your meditation or something else. So I think this phase of your life taking a positive turn towards spirituality, you are getting inclined towards it. But this is something like nothing is fixed. Maybe today you are taking a decision to reading of some book, and other day you decided not to read it. This is all like, but you have to maintain the stability. Be on this path. This is the thing where you can connect with your higher self. Overall energies for the month of June 2020 is maybe you are facing some distrust issues related at your work front. Maybe you are not trusting anyone because of disagreements, or maybe you face some politics during this time period. But let it be, the time will pass and all the things will get sorted, all the things will get sorted soon. Okay. Don't leave your work in the mid. Whatever the responsibility you have taken on your shoulder, make it sure that you will do it honestly. Okay, thank you for watching this video.